His ears are all tattered, his hide is all battered and worn. For he's been number one on the cattle run since he was born. His old eyes light up when he knows there's work to be done. 'Cause he's just an old cattle dog out on the Billeroy run. Though his old eyes have dimmed as the years have just trimmed him away,